Hi, my name is Muhammad, and today I'm gonna talk about programming. So what's programming? Generally, programming is the commands that the programmer writes to the computer, or basically, explaining to the computer what he wanted to do. And these commands created the games and apps we use every day. But how can you code? There are three main steps to write a perfect code. First step, an idea or a solution for a problem. Second step, analyzing the idea and convert it into an algorithm. And it's considered the most important step. Final step, converting that algorithm into programming commands. Sounds confusing, right? Let's take an example. You have an ATM machine and you face an issue. The user can withdraw more than his balance. So what's the solution? We place a condition before withdrawing. Check the balance, if it is enough or not. If it is enough, it accepts the transition, and if it's not, it won't. Next step, analysis. Simply, this is the algorithm. First start, then the user enters the desired amount. Then the code compares and checks whether the amount is less than or equals the balance. If it is less than or equal, it detects the amount from the balance. Then it accepts the transition and terminate the program. Else, it declines the transition and send an error message. Then it terminates the program. After we're done with the algorithm, the third and last step, coding. As you can see, this is a function which represents our algorithm. If you don't understand it, it's fine. This is a different topic. And now for the $1 million question. Do you need all these informations? Actually, you need it more than you think. Technology all around the world need these commands to actually work. And who write these commands? The programmers. And with no doubt, today technology is expanding rapidly and continuously. Imagine that you are working with someone every day, but you don't know how to speak to him. Weird, right? If you are not convinced yet, I have a video that might do.
I was 13 when I first got access to a computer.
My parents bought me a Macintosh in 1984 when I was 8 years old.
I was in 6th grade.
I learned to code in college.
Freshman year, first semester, intro to computer science.
I wrote a program to play tic-tac-toe.
I think it was pretty humble beginnings. I think the first program I wrote asked things like, what's your favorite color? Or how old are you?
I first learned how to make a green circle and a red square appear on the screen.
The first time I actually had something come up and say, hello world, and I made a computer do that. It was just astonishing.
Learning how to program didn't start off as wanting to learn all of computer science or trying to master this discipline or anything like that. It just started off because I wanted to do this one simple thing. I wanted to make something that was fun for myself and my sisters. And I wrote this little program and then basically just add a little bit to it. And then when I needed to learn something new, I looked it up either in a book or on the internet and then added a little bit to it.
It's really not unlike kind of playing an instrument or something, or playing a sport. It starts out being very intimidating, but you kind of get the hang of it over time.
That was just a part of the video. If you want to see it all, I'll leave it in the description. This video's goal is just giving you a generic idea of programming and its process. As we said, 1. Idea or solution, 2. Analysis, 3. Coding. This is the end of this video. I hope you like it and find it helpful. If you have any other explanation or different process, share it with us in the comments. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to get more of these videos. This is Muhammad Abu Saleh's channel, and goodbye.